This video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a small little cordless vacuum cleaner from the company IKEA born, I think's how you would say that. Now I got this in, it was in a box. Now it doesn't have a carrying case, but I have put it together and then I used it and then I took it back apart for the purpose of this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show y'all exactly what all you get with this thing. By the way, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you this. It uses Milwaukee batteries, which I have one Milwaukee. This is the M18 Milwaukee battery. You will have to have a Milwaukee battery to make this work. So you do not get this with a battery, just so you know. But let me just show you how easy this thing is to put together. And because it's using Milwaukee battery, it's got a lot of power. Pretty simple. You see all the instructions right here. You get everything with it. Let me show you this. Basically, you get this. This is the front part. You can see the name of it, IKEA broom, maybe is how you would say that. You get 3 filters with this. So you run one filter, just runs down in there like that. And you see how the vacuum looks. It goes in like this. And then it goes, you see these little mechanisms right there? We'll slide them in like that and then twist. It's together, that's it. It's fully assembled. Technically, it can be used right now. Take your Milwaukee battery, stick it on there. Check that out. It does have a little indicator light right there. Very powerful suction. Now, what I got with this one, so right now, it's basically can be used as a great little kind of vacuum for a car. And you just run the attachments just like this. They just stick in there. That's like a crack and crevice attachment there. This is like the brush attachment. I like these brushes for kind of like doing my car, my vacuum. I mean, like on my carpet and all that. But check this out. This actually has a carpet vacuum. This, I think, one side smaller. See that? So you have a, looks like almost a 3-foot pole that goes just like this. And it runs, this doesn't have a brush, but it has like a little like suction right there. You can see that. Let me take it over here to my van and show y'all using it, vacuum out my van, because I have a carpet in the back. So I'll be able to use this, and then I'll use this as a crack and crevice. So let's do that now. Hey everybody, I'm over here at my van. Let me go ahead and use this on the carpet. You can see, now this wouldn't be my first choice as far as something on a carpet. It's not, because it's so flexible, it moves around so much, and this is uneven carpet anyway, so I don't really blame the vacuum as much as I do all of this right here, but this will work just fine on a carpet. Okay, this is gonna be where I think I'm gonna be able to use this thing the most, is in my van like here. This is something I'll recommend for anybody that just needs a good, affordable vacuum. Check that out. This thing's working really well for this. Like I said, I wouldn't use it so much as a thing to do my house, but it's good to have that as a backup if I actually needed to, maybe a hardwood floor. But check out how well that this crevice attachment works inside of a car. And like I said, because it uses a Milwaukee battery, we know it has a lot of power. I like this crevice attachment. This thing works great. And then when you're done, you'll basically take the attachment off. Now it does have a closure so the stuff doesn't fall back out. And then check this out. So you put that down. There's everything right down inside there. Pretty simple. You just take this to the garbage can, bang that out, and I think you're good to go. And then to put it back on. See how simple that was? This is something I recommend for anyone that just needs a good, affordable, kind of like all around top cordless vacuum with a lot of power, because it uses Milwaukee. Remember, it does not come with a battery, so you're gonna have to supply your own battery. But if you have, like me, and you got a lot of these Milwaukee batteries, that's not an issue. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the IKEA broom vacuum. See you all in the next video.